little helmet's awesome.
Which one? Oh yeah, I bought that for Braylon.
Have you seen Bentley's helmet?
No. This is almost too small for me. That's dust protector. Come on.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Let me go grab Bentley's helmet. Let's check it out. It's kind of plain Jane.
Oh, sick, dude.
I just got the plain black one. I'm thinking about
Look, that's all black.
ordering a bunch of stickers that he likes.
They would look good.
Just laying it out.
That thing out.
Yep.
Looks sick.
Laying out whatever kind of stickers he likes.
Oh. Oh, it's good.
I need some goo going too, because it had like a bunch of Rebel flag stickers all over it.
Oh, this good?
Yeah, I jerked all that crap off there.
Bunch of Rebel flag.
Yeah, I don't
It's just like the 420, dude. That's all it is. I mean, other than like, I had the speakers on it. It just rides a lot better. It's got the accessory port right here. I got a winch on it. I can pick it up from a tree.
Yeah.
I put a horn on it. Okay.
Woo, big old hook on it too.
I got this horn comes in fast though.
Jesus, yeah, it does.
I put that KFI winch stuff on there. It's pretty much useless. Because if you tighten any more than that, it's just gonna like pull it right through it. Yeah, this is
Oh, it's got an O-ring on it too.
Yeah.
Does it stay watertight?
Oh yeah, we had phones and everything.
Heck yeah.
That was good. So four-wheeler, man. Trying not to think too much about it. I don't worry about it.
What's all this up here?
The seat is definitely.
Oh, coolant.
That should be radiator access.
Yeah.
Same thing as the. This is useless because on the automatics, this side plastic is high-low, and then on the Ranchers, it's four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. So
It's just a little cubby.
Cubby for nothing. They call it the useless port.
The useless port. Yeah.
What are you doing? You like my garage?
Garage.
Full of junk. You should have saw it a couple weeks ago. Man. The hardest thing is keeping that clean.
Yeah. I know the feeling.
I mean, I can clean it up, but it gets destroyed. You know where I found that thing?
Where's that?
Found that stuff at Berwick about, I don't know, 10 or 15 years ago. I watched some kid running. He stole it from somebody. And he ran and trying to hide it. I saw him hide it under a cinder block on a cabin foundation. I went and found it, confiscated it. I've actually pounded nails with it.
Really? How well does it do?
Pretty good for me. I know I'm going to cut more off.
Yep.
Yeah, here's the top. I'll flip it.
Oh, so we're going to open this up? I can already see it.
Pretty much my knife.
I can already see it.
I like to see where stuff like this is made. Yeah, see where the money is.
So we have to get off. What?
It's over here now.
What that?
It already looks weird. It's so heavy there.
Yeah. Blade guide. Wrench. Miter gauge. You got a fancy push stick.
Push stick?
Push stick. What's up, Gabe? Thanks, buddy.
It's pattern. Look, that's how you cut yours down, huh?
No, mine didn't come with that. That's cool, though. I just kind of drew mine out and made it.
What you need, honey?
Dude,
Well,
this saw is bad, man.
it looks like a saw to me.
Finger that out here in a second.
You already know your way around it that long.
Okay.
Minimal assembly required with Dewalt power tools. Dewalt. Nice and heavy.
Yep.
I think I need the directions.
Yeah, I love that saw, man.
Since he's talking about all the stuff I know how to do, I just want to know where all these legs and stuff is plugged in. I'm a French now. Yes, they missed those. Some tools required. Hex key and small wrench supplied.
Yep.
Socket and wrench set. I've got one of those. Where's Aubrey at? She outside with kids?
She was playing with Gabe just right here. Yeah, she's right here. She's playing with the lawnmower. She's cutting your grass.
See if we can go out and make a mean pizza. No, that's not good. She's cutting the grass?
Yep. Shall we?
Oh, that's a stand.
Yeah.
We just gotta build a stand. The saw's slapped on it. The stand and the saw are separate.
Ooh, wow, that's low.
I'm back into Spanish again. You got them previous young ones. What you need?
I'll be right.
Take
wood.
Times
Yeah.
about 6%, and that gives you a number. Then you can add that to the original total.
0.06.
Yeah, if your calculator doesn't have percent, it should have percent. What's going on here? Surely that
There we
messes
go.
together somehow.
It does.
What the? We got a bunch of stuff here.
2.6, $2.60.
No, it's $44.95.
Yeah. $270. 270 the original.
That doesn't make any sense.
270 is 6% sales tax on that. No. That's the sales tax. Yeah, that's your sales tax. Now add your original cost. 269, or you just round up to 270. What am I missing here?
What are you talking about?
I'm not seeing anything about where to put my knife. Good to start a fire later.
Arr.
There's no way that saw's that short.
Yeah, that is weird, oddly short, isn't it?
Good thing you play music in your videos.
Not all of them. What's wrong with looking at you?
Because I'm on camera.
I can edit you out. I don't have to. I can make sure that you're not in it if you don't want to be in it. Dude, this saw is a beast. I like it a lot.
This is this. This is this.
The wheels attached
To this
wheels
guy
on, they attach to the end brackets.
right there.
Right. Why are there so many different options though? As far as height goes.
Yeah, fancy, man. Here we go.
It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a table saw, not a bicycle. Got two options. we got here? We got more bolts.
They're labeled. Saw. Kickstand.
Oh, she's got the 4-wheel with my sockets in it.
You got a nut? Okay, that goes on this tire.
Don't tamper.
What's that?
How to install my tool and how to install my gadget I'm getting the money.
What's your gadget?
Well, it's not installed, it's like
What's a gadget? What gadget is? Hey, walk out there for a minute.
No, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Yeah, it's
Tighten
just
them down first?
yeah.
I have a driver, the hair driver. I don't know if I'm gonna.
Tool and frame. That's pretty cool. What are you going to use it for? Everything? That's pretty cool. I'm actually looking into getting one myself.
I read a lot of reviews before I chose.
What brand was it? Simpson.
5 stars, not a single complaint.
This is what my toolbox is like.
Is this the right size? Beautiful.
Trying to find a hat that I can put on these guys. What's half a metric?
12.
I'm finding everything else. That's how it works, isn't it?
Yep.
Ridiculous. Oh, here we go. Look, look.
Dang.
Dang is right. Man, I was really, I've never used this thing.
Really?
Yeah. That stinks.
Oh, God. He wasn't ready. Tools and frame.
That's it.
Yeah, it's tight.
Probably tight enough. How's that sound over there?
Good.
It's still loose?
Nope.
I don't know.
Yep.
Okay, I need one more Ugga Dugga.
Give it some Ugga Duggas. Ringing. Oh.
I really wanted to use this guy.
Now what do this one?
Probably shouldn't.
This is the kickstand, yeah?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, this is a kickstand.
Okay, so the handle's this guy.
That guy, yeah. Because whenever it's sitting down on the wheels, this is also on the ground.
What are you doing? this. Now, do we want these in first?
Yes. Make sure you put them in there so the holes line up. I think it's beautiful, man. You want to put one of those bolts through there so it doesn't move around on us.
I really hoping that ratchet would work. I was excited about that.
You don't have a 1/2-inch socket?
Not that. I do floating around here somewhere. Not that size though. What is it? They go straight up.
Un momento, boss. Okay.
Oh, that felt good.
Yeah, all right. Why don't we take this off here till we're done? You got it, man?
Yep. Way ahead of it. This is lazy. You're in a bad spot with that little wrench, aren't you? I feel lightheaded. The driver would have been perfect.
Oh. I think that's cross-threaded, boss.
I don't always cross-thread things, but when I do, Dugga.
What were these?
Extra rock?
Yeah, extra.
I don't know. They didn't go to anything you were working on over there, no way. Let's go. Why are there so many different options?
Gives you the length. Because that's the handle for when it's on its wheels.
So I want it very tall.
Okay. Then these two.
Is this guy?
Yep.
Assembly required.
Minor assembly.
Minor. But we're not miners.
We're not miners.
I couldn't find any miners to assemble myself. So... I reckon she goes like that. I see what's happening here. They're making this as complicated as possible.
Yep.
Look at this.
Yeah, I know. That's why I figured we'd put the bolts in.
Now, well, the bolt should go first.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Should they not go? Should not be the bolt rather than the nut? The nut's on top.
Is it? Okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll do it that way.
Good job. Yes? No? Maybe?
Yeah, we'll do it that way. That just seems easier. It's here. I'm not going for fat fingers.
Oh.
What was that?
West Virginia Tarzan. Nope. Oh, there.
Ah!
Oh, no.
You just gotta give it to him, man.
That ratchet would have been awesome. Oh, I see what they're picking it up. Probably good, ain't it? Mine?
I think those run through the saw as well.
Oh, they do. Yeah, they're definitely long enough.
Hey, I figured out where those go, man.
They just screw in.
Mm-hmm.
Will the pool be full
Oh, what was that?
tomorrow?
The box.
Oh, your butt is breaking stuff again?
Dad, will the pool
What are those? Hex?
Yep.
full tomorrow?
Hex this.
Mom, will the pool be full
What
tomorrow?
kind of do? Wait a second. Was it 5?
Yeah, it's what? I think so.
Oh, here's a 4. Oh, just one.
It-
And it's
it
story of my
was.
life.
It's a 6 thing. You will
Okie dokie. So the legs will fold up. Here's your handle. Pretend that that's on the ground.
I thought that was
No, that's the kickstand.
For the ground.
it. It sort of makes sense.
What?
I was wondering how that could really be
Dad,
handled.
open it in the right.
I don't understand what's going on here.
What do you mean?
I was saying, at least the bolt up.
Mm-hmm.
Not a bad saw.
No.
I needed one back, man. For years, I was, risking my phalanges using a miter saw.
Yeah. You ready, man? You got your ugga dugga?
Let me get my other baby real quick. I unplugged it.
We ugga dug it.
Well, do it. You want to hug a nugget? I'll go easy. Damn, dude. Very hard, very strange angle.
Here, I can finish this one up. I'll hold the red eye.
That'll be good, right?
Red eye. She did. All right, let's fold up the legs and test it. We test it.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I don't want to talk about it. What's this guy?
Push out.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh. How'd that work? You went in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you went in. Gotcha.
Whoa, yeah.
For the job site.
Yep. That'll twerk like Motley, won't it?
Yes, sir. Very strange how those handles are.
Yeah, the bottom one's twist and the top one's squeeze.
Kind of weird. I don't know what they were thinking there. Let's plug it in. See how she does. Didn't come with a bag or anything for that, did it?
Mm-mm.
See how she bounced. Nothing in there. Oh, it did come with something. What is this guy?
A bag.
Huh? Oh, I know it keeps sawdust from blowing outside.
Yeah.
Some right here too.
You want to check the,
Blade.
yeah, make sure she's tight.
Yeah, before we go ripping on it. Something wrong.
Something.
Something wrong. What's wrong?
What?
Nothing.
Go get my what?
It's always backwards thread on saw. They want the blade to move in the direction of tighten.
I learned that last time I was using your saw. It took me a second. Your blade was on tight.
Yeah, I had one come loose on me. Started doing this.
That's my breaker box.
That's my breaker box.
I like this hand. Look at this.
Yeah, let me step over.
We can lock this. so they can't get in there at all.
Right.
So that's off, and we got.
The blade even says Dewalt on it.
It's Dewalt. I like the guard on the blade.
That's it.
Or how we get.
I don't know. You got a tape line?
Oh, yeah. There, blaze orange.
That's orange?
This guy.
3 1/4. You'll rip 4x4.
I wonder if you can go 12. Nah, you couldn't go 12 on something like that, could you? No, it would hit the.
You could take, well, yeah.
Let it rip, tater shit. Over here and run again. I'm kind of afraid of it now. Oh, is it a gate? Is it a gate release?
Oops, sorry.
Oh.
I don't know what it is.
It's a release over here. It's releasing something. Someplace. I wonder. Let's remove this.
Oh, man, that is nice.
Let's see what's happening here. What's happening here?
Pull the lever, Crunk. You ever seen that movie?
What's that?
Emperor's New Groove. Pull the lever, Crunk. Wrong lever.
John.
Those are nice.
I guess I should have. Now that we know what's going on inside.
2 screws take that out, right? That is pretty cool because you can hook, that's a shop vac outlet.
Alright.
Hook a shop vac up to it. We likes it. You want?
She'll get put to the test.
Yeah, buddy. I think this is fucking cool. I like that a lot.
Oh, that's gonna help them not trying to, bump.
Right.
Kind of rake it.
The cool thing though is that you've got 1 to 24 here, and then it starts going. You see what I'm saying? Oops.
I think this guy's still wondering what his purpose is though.
It's a fence extender. Where the lever at? Now you'll need to build yourself a miter box. It's just like my saw. It's teed.